Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is the gardening video series that I am putting out. Hopefully the tips and tricks that I will be going over in these videos will help you out in your gardening adventures. Hope you enjoy. Well, today we're going to talk about pots that we're going to use to start our plants out for our garden. They've got several different styles out of pots that work great. They've got this little greenhouse version with a tray that you use with your plastic pots. They've also got the peat pots that you can use in here as well. They last for several years. You can also, once your plastic pots give out, you can also recycle them in your newspaper and use paper pots. I'm going to go through this today and show you how I make my paper pots up. And when you do that, you need a little plastic like Tylenol bottle, aspirin bottle, something about that size, a roll of masking tape, scissors, pen or pencil, and you can either use a cardboard template like I've got here, which is 4 inches wide by 13 inches long, or you can just measure out 4 inches on your newspaper. I use one full sheet of newspaper, which is the double page. So you got 2 pages together. It gives you, after you roll it up, about 4 layers to make it nice and durable. It still happens to rip out at times when you're messing with your pots to move it into the garden. Alright, what I usually do is I take my cardboard template, put that down, make me a line, and I'll go up several times as I go through this. Make my marks. I can usually get 5 pieces of paper out of this. Depends on what the newspaper size is where you're at. But I'll cut these out. Alright, take some of your masking tape here, put it on the edge of the table, pre-rip a few of them. Okay, now I'm going to take the bottle, put it on the paper here, and then roll that up. I usually go to the bottom edge of the lid and roll it up. Take tape, put it right over the edge there to hold that, then fold over the bottom. Take this piece and stick on the bottom to hold it. And there you go. You've got a paper pot there. I'll go through this one more time. We roll that up. Fold that over. Put your tape on the edges so it kind of holds the side and on the bottom. Slide it out. And there you go. Then if you have these plastic trays, sometimes you can buy these plastic trays also by themselves. And then you can use this. Just line your paper pots up. You could probably get about 5 across in a tray like this. And then I'm not sure how many, I can't remember for sure on how many will hold, but probably about 50, I would say. 50 of these paper pots. That gives you plenty of room to grow yourself some nice backyard garden vegetable starts, whatever you wanted to grow, or even flowers. That covers that up, keeps the warmth in there. You can keep these on a shelf out of the way to get everything started, but there you go on your paper pots. That gives you a idea on what they have out there and, you know, what to use. The paper pot idea I think is great because most people, they'll get the newspaper and just stacks up and they just recycle it or throw it away. This gives you a chance to save it a little bit and use it in your garden. It can, all you got to do is maybe rip the bottom of the pot, put it in your garden, dig a little hole, put it in your garden, and you got tomato plants, pepper plants, whatever in your garden already then. And that compost into the garden and you wouldn't even know you had it there the next year. Thank you for watching.